Rogério Paiva 5. And have ever you've heard about the collective intelligence? Do you know what it's about? If you know, write here under and let's talk about it. Well, in general, the collective intelligence, it's talk about to explore the idea and the intelligence of the group and not just consider one person per group. In general, from the past, the context that you have about it is that you value someone and don't consider another one. But in this concept about the collective intelligence, it means and it says to us that each person has its value and can give its contribution for that group, that even the one that is weak has some potential to help those ones that are really intelligent. So if you mix those ones, the difference between people, you can result in that collective intelligence. So if you talk it about for about 10 years ago, perhaps it was quite hard to understand, but today it's quite easy to understand when you use to social media, that you see that people today, they exchange the information, they exchange the ideas, and then you have the web 2.0. So the collective intelligence, it means that you can use the potential of a group, consider each person the importance, and give them voice to use it to explore. Of course, this concept about collective intelligence comes from the internet, but you can apply today, you can apply in a role or in your group, in a church, in a school. For example, if you are teachers that teach a language, perhaps English or French, and perhaps that you give information for your students, what do you think if you explore the difference that you have, the level of difference that you have in your class, and explore that one activity, for example, ask them to create a conversation among them about some topics, and then you give some time to them prepare it, and surprisingly you're going to see that those ones that knew more English gonna help those ones that doesn't know so much, and those ones that doesn't know so much, they are going to help those ones that knew. How? Because when they ask questions, when they are asking for solution for his problem, those ones that knew are learn with them. In other words, each one is learning and they are producing a total intelligence that you name it collective intelligence. So consider when you work in your group, wherever you are, in church, plan a project, or in a school, or wherever you work, consider to use this concept about the intelligence collective, not just focus on one person, but focus on a group, focus on the intelligence that have a whole group. Because if you can explore the collective intelligence, you're going to be surprised how powerful is your group. So thanks so much for watching this video. Be with me. I hope that you like, and if you like, right here. If you don't like it, right here too, because your opinion is going to contribute to develop the intelligence collective of this video and this idea. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.